Okay. Well, we're just gonna try this, and this might not go very well, but okay. Can we? Oh my god, I think. Holy crap. Holy crap. How's it going today, Embers? It's Davari, aka Flare Unique, and today we are playing League of Legends ARAM. We're going to try to off-meta tank build whatever champion we get. This mode is completely randomized, so the champions are chosen randomly for each player. So if we do end up getting an actual tank, because that is meta, we are not going to use that in the video. Otherwise, we should be fine. All right, so let's go ahead and just jump in and hope that we're not a disappointment to our team. Let's get this started. Damn it, you're an actual tank. Damn it, you're a tank too. Why am I? What are the chances? Somebody. Okay, we'll do Lissandra. We'll take her. Let's go with Resolve. These people are gonna be like, what the hell is Lissandra doing? Alright, so we are running. Where is our build? So we're running Aftershock, Demolish, Conditioning, Overgrowth, Gathering Storm, and Absolute Focus for our tank here. We're going to start by getting the Rod of Ages because that's going to give us more health and at the same time give us damage so we can start in a tanky path. We get 3 levels here, so we're just going to evenly separate that, distribute that. I feel so bad for this team already if I do terrible. I'm just gonna try and play it safe until I figure out my strengths and my weaknesses here. I do have some pretty good CC when I reach level 6, so I'll kind of use that to my advantage. I'm just gonna focus on getting as many last hits on minions as we can. Okay. So far, no damage. So far, so good. I've got a Blitzcrank really reaching out to get whatever he can. Oof. Okay, I mean, we're good with that. We got a little exchange there. We're gonna stun everyone here. Throw that back just to hit them. Throw them back again. Let's see if we can get Yaz. Okay. All right. We're doing fine. We're doing fine. Okay. Just grab some hits on this tower. Oh, nope. Just do a little poke. Okay. Oh, she almost got that. It's so hard in ARAM for me to get last hits because everyone else is going for the same thing all match. Oh. Okay. Let's go ahead and freeze them. Damn it, that didn't do enough. But we got a little damage off on them. It's something. Alright. Blitz missing over there. We'll go ahead and grab this now. Alright, they pegged me. So I'm just gonna stay here safe under the tower. I'm not a tank yet, so... Oh, damn it. Ooh. There's stuff flying everywhere. Alright, we're gonna let Zoe get that because she can get something out of it. I accidentally took the last one when I should have left it for her. Blitz waiting at the edge of that bush, no doubt. that. Oh snap, this is it. Oh crap, yeah. Not ready for that, guys. Hey, but we are ready to get Rod of Ages, so actually, we're gonna turn that into a positive. Ooh. Oh, snap. Okay, well, we're just gonna try this, and this might not go very well, but... Okay. Can we? Oh my god, I think... Holy crap. Holy crap. I did not expect that. I did not expect that to actually go well. I thought I was going to jump in and be murdered by everyone. But we actually managed to get a triple kill there. I'm cool with that. And now we have one of them straggling with a little bit of health left. That's Blitz. He'll find a way to outlast everything. Okay, we're not looking to get grabbed again. Alright, what is their main damage? They've got AP, AP, AD, 3 ADs, so we're probably going to go ahead and worry about getting some AD, some armor first. Okay. And since 2 of them are mainly based on crits, we're going to go ahead probably for the Randuins first, which will also help us with some extra crowd control for our teammates. Especially when it comes to these very fast people like Yaz and Warwick. Ooh, okay. Okay. Nope, but yeah. I don't want to take those. They're available for Zoe. Damn it. Can't get that reach. Okay. Throw that in there, and we're gonna walk back. A little poke is all we want. We are dealing significant amount of damage here, though. I did not expect us to be able to do that much damage. Though, to be honest, it's Rod of Ages, so we got something going on here. Nope. I'm gonna have to sit that one out, buddies. Oh my god, we are really outlast. Okay, I'm cool with that. Let me get the hell out of there. I do not want to get grabbed by... Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and... Oh crap. There we go. That's what I was looking for. We're just gonna do a little poke, and there we go. Throw that back, and just do a little extra damage. Oh crap. Okay, he's going to kill me, definitely. But hey, we got a lot of damage off on that turret, so I'm cool with that. And we got some pretty good plays out there. So we're gonna go ahead for Randuins. This is not going to make sense to any of my team. I hope that they just side with me here. We're gonna start the boots for the Berserker Greaves. Not Berserker Greaves, sorry. Ninja Tabby. I believe that's the one that protects us from physical damage. Basic attacks. I think it reduces those. Plus gives a little bit of armor too. So we're gonna move that to a spot where I'll remember I can press it. And let's get patient. Oh, okay. We don't want to get hit by that. Just want to get a little poke in. Oh, snap. That didn't hit anyone. Alright. Alright. Bam. Okay, that's all we were looking to do. Hey. Hey. He didn't really do any damage to me, did he? I like that. Oh crap, and I didn't do any damage to that minion. Damn it! Get over here! It's hard for me to get anyone with this stubby attack. Alright. Come on, come on. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start crowd controlling in here. Slow him down. Slow him down, stop him. Keep him off of our Zoe. But God, he is very persistent. Oh crap, here they come. Okay, okay, let's throw that back. Whoop. We are actually tanking. This is great. This is actually working. Holy crap. Holy crap. I'm loving it. I am actually loving it. Oh God, this is doing much better than I thought.
This world has forgotten true power.
Okay, that's it. We just wanted that prod. Oh, blocked by too many minions for that one. Alright, if they come in for that, we just gotta stun them momentarily. If Yaz comes in, we stun him. This is doing some good damage. I'm glad that we brought that along. Stop him there. Alright. Uh-huh. Okay, let's watch out for Blitz. Damn. Okay, okay. Let me help here. Slow them down. Slow them down. Alright. No, I'm not the one, guy. I'm not the one. Come on, bear. Crap. Okay, so he's focusing on me. I don't have any mana left, so I'm gonna have to go over here. Okay, okay. So let's go ahead and walk back. Gonna throw him there. Damn it. Come on, turret. Dude, I'm hoping they would pick a good target there. We're not getting that play twice, I guess. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get the Berserker Greaves. And for some magic resist, we'll use the... Come on, what is the name of that item? I can't even... There we go, Banshee's Veil. That will also give us some extra cooldown reduction, because we definitely need that. We only have 10% cooldown reduction, which... It's something. It'll have to do. Got her. Okay. Good, good. This is surprisingly good. So the question of will it tank? Yes, it will. Now, I might also be taking a lot of the CS, yeah. So I am really going for getting these minions so that I can get my items faster. And that's probably playing a pretty big part here. We're gonna stun him, hit them up with that. All right, give them a little slow and back it up. We are tanky, but we don't need to be right in the middle of the fight here until we have our W up, so I can stun them. Stop him here. There we go. Okay. All right. We are pushing them back. Oh, snap. Oh, okay. Okay. So we're gonna back off for now. I'm actually running out of mana here, so do we have another one? Going for this one. Alright, the Yaz is coming in to end us. And probably gonna grab that last one. Yeah, there we go. Just get in a little poke. There's nothing wrong with a little poke here and there. Oh crap. We gotta stun him. Okay, he threw up his wind wall, but he still took the damage before it actually activated. Alrighty. Alrighty. Come on, guys. Let's be reasonable here. Just let Lissandra do her tanky thing. Ooh. He came close to grabbing me there, and I was so selfishly holding on to my flash. The things I do to make sure I get the most important CS. Alright, alright. Alright, let's keep them, slow them down. Alright, back it up. There you go, there you go. You guys wanted this fight. Alright. That's what I'm talking about.
It's inevitable.
Okay, I did not want to use my passive or my demolish right there. He is really after me. He doesn't get what I'm doing though. That Blitzcrank wanted to end me. Alright. I'm leaning back so far. Taking this a little too personal. Okay. Warwick has gotten some magic resist. We're gonna slow him. Throw that back in there. Damn it, we're not gonna be able to do much. There we go. Alrighty. Let's get back in there and help out. I should have used that on myself, because I would have actually gotten some health back. Ooh, got me just as I came in. I was gonna just go ahead and stun him and hit him with a Q, but that actually killed me. So what other item? What other item can we get here? I want to get my health back, but I feel like it'd be more important here to stop some more of that. No. Let's go for some extra health.
I never rest.
Ooh. Oh, it's a good thing we have this going. Oh, no. Alright. Let's slow him so he can't just get out of here. Okay. There we go. We are able to hang into these fights, and that's really, really working for us. Alright, we're gonna stop them here. Throw on that barrier, throw that back. Okay. Hey. I'm not mad at it. I think we might have this one in the bag. Okay, wait, no, not me. I just want to get this. Let's stop him. Alrighty. Throw that back. Throw that at. Yes. Okay, we can stun. Walk back. I just gotta stay out of the middle of all that. Okay. Slow them. Get the hell out. Oh crap, I used that preemptively. Hey, stop. Woo, boy. Okay. Wait, oh, somebody's still alive up there. Holy crap. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back. It's no point in me just leaving him by himself. Okay, I did my part. That's good because I get to actually get this. Now we can just heal up. When we're not taking damage for a certain amount of time, we can actually just heal up now, so that'll work for us. Now, what other items give us... Wait, what did the most damage? Okay, so we're taking a lot of magic damage, so what can we use that'll give us magic resist and a little bit more of an edge here? Crap, there's not too much. So let's go with the adaptive helm here. We're gonna start building that.
They cannot fight. An ally has been slain.
I'd go for the Spirit Visage, but the problem there is I don't really have too much that's going to be healing me, minus my Warmog and, you know, Okay, now we're just going to throw this in, let the turret do its work. Yep, we got him. Let's catch up. Hey, buddy. Now stop that. There we go. There we go. Now we're healing up. Look at that spirit, not the Warmog going to work. Damn it, minions, you stopped it. All right, guys, we actually are already down to the Nexus, so we could actually just go forward and start taking it. GG. That worked out pretty damn well. I did not expect that to go so damn well. Our Mundo, no, you know what? Nar was doing some great stuff. I loved everybody on this team, but Nar, that ult, every time he ulted, I felt like he was making a very huge contribution. So we're gonna give our honor to the Nar for great shot calling. Hey, and we got a box. We got an S with Lissandra, the only S on our team. And it's probably because we were just taking a lot of the CS there, but you know, hey, it still worked. All right, guys, that worked out a lot better than I really thought it was going to. So that is inspiration to me. I look forward to the next time we do another tank off meta. I think that the next off meta pick that we'll do is going to probably be something different, like maybe an assassin attack mage or something, something different. However, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave me a big thumbs up. And for more game-related content and reaction videos, consider giving that subscribe button a little jab. As always, please stay safe and be bright. I'll see you in the next video.